Since I'm Taytay Leho, my name is Lisel. I'm 40 years old. I'm from Sorsogon City, Philippines. I am a single parent. I have two sons, ages 19 and 14 years old, and one daughter, ages 6 years old. My highest educational attainment is a college graduate. My hobbies are gardening, organizing things inside and outside of the house, and I love listening to music. My expertise are childcare. I work as domestic helper in United Arab Emirates, Dubai for a total of 2 years. I serve one couple and two sons ages 12 and 9 years old. My duties are taking care of the children and elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, car washing, marketing, and washing the dishes. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family, for my children's education and food allowances. I'm willing to take good care of an elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing a song like, "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away." To my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am a hardworking, honest, obedient, and with a sense of purpose to achieve my goal. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job and to finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir. Hoping to work with you as soon as possible.